Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Back to the Future DeLorean Time Machine. This week I'm going to be working on the rear deck, which are steps 9 through 13 in the instructions, and as usual I want to start out by pointing out a couple little details in the instructions. So first up, when you're adding the side details to the plutonium chamber, notice that they've got 2 extra callouts for different numbered parts, and they do have a couple of safeguards. The pegs and holes are different shaped, and they give you this overhead view about which 2 are supposed to be the odd ones out. And they're like that because those 2 have pegs so that these hoses can clip on more securely. And quick side note, you do get some extras of the plain ones, which is much appreciated as small as they are. And then the other thing, we've just gotten to the first optional parts. These cylinders are only used if you're not using the lightning hook. I'm building this as its first appearance version, so I did use them, but I still wanted to throw that out there. So on to the finished deck, and it was exactly as delicate and exactly as well made as I had hoped. In fact, the only problem I ran into wasn't even with any of the kit supplied parts, but it was with the aftermarket. Now, as per the inventory sheet, I'm supposed to get 3 large cylinders, 3 medium cylinders, and 2 cylinders with little ridges on them. What I got, though, 3 large, 3 medium, and only the one with ribs on it. So must have been 4:30 on a Friday when they packed this up. But that's okay. The kit supplied cylinders actually look great on their own, so I just went ahead and used those. I did use the photo etch grate from the aftermarket set. Also used about every metallic color that I had in my inventory. Just try to mix things up so that it wasn't 1 and 2 colors. But yeah, everything went together really nice. For the 2 anodized cylinders on this side, I went with Tamiya Pearl Blue, and the 3 on the other side are clear red over gloss aluminum. And then everything else was silver, steel, gunmetal, aluminum. They said any metallic color I could think of. And overall, everything pretty much went together with no problem. The only spot is up here. I did have one of these 3 wires crack on me. In the previous video I had mentioned that they're flexible. They are flexible, but they're not bendy, so they can crack under enough pressure. And just giving myself a little mock-up here, and it's starting to look like a time machine. The next couple of steps are going to be putting together the rear bulkhead, and then after that, it's moving on to the body. So I'll have another update next week. You can check back then, and thanks for watching.